What is personalized medicine? If you wanted to know this topic about completely, then watch this seminar video till the end.
So hello guys, my today's topic is futuristic farming. I don't research anything, it's my opinion and my experience. So first I tell about the sowing of the seeds, or planting the plants, or mini plants, or something else. Firstly, for sowing the seeds, we have many automatically machines, or for the plantation we have many things, like many companies like Kubota, John Deere and Sonalika have our rice planting machine or seeds sowing machine. After that we have the fertilizer sprayer machine. So we have many things about the fertilizer spraying machines. About harvesting, we have many things and many varieties. We have thresher, we have harvester, we have or many things else. So we have the combined harvester and only the big harvester, and we have thresher with attached with tractors or generators. That's also work very easily. One machine called reaping machine, so that works only for the reaping of the only work for the reaping on the plant. And after that we have packing machines also, so we can combine together all the machines and we can make one machine that's automatically work. So we have a idea, combine all the machines, make one machine, automatically work, one man sit there peacefully and just control the function. That's it.
Traditional farming alone connect meat to the needs of the growing population, and futuristic agriculture. Futuristic agriculture use modern technology in provide more food in population. So techniques like provide farming use drone sensor and monitor crops.
So our Indian education system is developed by Lord Macaulay in British period. He wants some Indians who think like Britishers but look like Indian. So his main motive is to make workers, not thinkers. So today, after that much independence, we have to change our education system because it is very outdated and old, and maximum country who adopt this change. So to changing our education system, it is not easy. It is difficult task for our government. Government takes some simple steps, but it's not enough to change our education system. First we have to change our education system, like first we have to make separate divisions where child can learn different tasks he want, different subject he like some child have ADHD and other mental disorder, so they cannot grasp cannot learn as fast as normal student can. So we have to make separate division for them, the student. They have different capabilities on different things. First remove our exam system because it only values the memory, not the not the creativity of child. The education system is kindly outdated by a new education system. Our education system include a very major our education system may include a major defect that is called writing. Writing is getting outdated in day-to-day life. So our education system focus in writing, not in other things. Today in a future world, in a modern world, we don't need writing because most of the files, works are in computer and we have to type. And typing is not teach us in school. So we have to change our education system towards to digitalizing the features we have.
Mythology books say that old stories about us gods and learn us people many courage, kindness and duty. Books also teach us value like beliefs and courage and kindness. Some books are written simple stories. They easy to understand. People read mythology books to enjoy stories and to learn life lessons from the past. Okay.
Effect of social media of mobile phone. People spend of mobile time too much and social media forget important work, study and workout. Scrolling and chatting for long hours reduce and chatting for long hours and reduce and long time in social media.
In this generation, social media is very common for everyone. Media also spread the fake news and wrong information.
The personalized medicines means giving not the same medicines to everyone. They saw our DNA, they saw our lifestyle, they saw our past medical history, and then they make a medicine for a specific man. Personalized medicine is better for our health. It's work faster, less side effect, if possible, correct dose and better results. In cancer treatment, doctor test the patient's DNA and their tumor cell. Real life uses are like cancer therapy, diabetes management and heart disease treatment. Like many types of disease are solved by this personalized medicine. So we know this topic in our brainstorming class.